Welcome to Facebook viewers. We are on a waterfront property on the Gold Coast and we have come to the second job of our day. We've gone from high bays to deck lights. So we've just drilled these holes out because we've got a small failed deck light which has been in a fair while. It's full of water. This is on a jetty that rises with the tide, so there are issues of course. So we've got an IP67 fitting which is pretty much good for this purpose, and we've resin filled that, so we've made sure it actually stays resin sealed, so it's going to be a good solution for this job. So that will then pop into that hole and we'll solder them in, heat shrink, have a resin encapsulated seal, and that will be a great solution. We've got 6 of these to do across the jetty, all across the front there. So Alpha LED, put a comment in the box below if you've got a similar problem. This is what we do. We fix up lighting that's failed, retrofit lights, new lights, pretty much anything to do with the low voltage side of LED. And yeah, here we are. Have a great day guys, enjoy the weekend. Thanks for watching.